Hello viewers, for those of you that watch my videos regularly, you may recall this particular Harman Kardon speaker from a couple of months back. I have this installed here under my desk and it's been working. It worked well for the first couple of months and then it kind of started to die a slow death about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then it seemed to be okay for a week or so, and then now today I went to listen to some music and I simply could not get it to work. Now this is what it does. It kind of cycles in that relay. Now I haven't looked at the circuitry, but if my understanding is correct, that clicking sound is a time delay. So what happens is it powers on for a couple of seconds to charge up the capacitors, and then it should click over into run mode and operate as normal. It doesn't seem to be getting past that charge up cycle. Now I tend to think the relay has gone bad. However, it could also be behaving this way because the cap isn't working properly. So I'm going to play some music here. I'm sure the copyright police is going to come after me, but I'll play some music just to demonstrate what it does. Now, I'm going to turn this all the way down first. Turn it on. So that's that. It actually worked for a couple of seconds there, better than it has been, but then it screwed up again. So that's it. This kind of stinks because this worked really well for this application and it sounded pretty good, and I haven't even had it for all that long. I paid $15 for it. I've got my use out of it, but that's a bummer. I'll go in there and tear apart the circuit board and see what I can do, but I don't know if this is salvageable or not. I mean, I don't have a schematic for this thing, so even if I can find the relay and determine that it's spoiled, getting another one is going to be an interesting task. So anyways, that's what happened. Oh well.